This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is
Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back, everyone. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad on Monday, January 12th. Hope you all had a great weekend. I have a lot to cover today. We're going to cover 17 charts of the Not Your Advisor Safety 30 today because a lot of them are in great setup modes or breaking out. I did want to share news about this new potential program that Trump is trying to push through where credit cards for 1 year would be capped at a 10% interest rate. I have no idea how they would implement something like this, but many of the bank shares sold off on this news. But I suspect if they were to somehow cap it, we consumers would just spend more at the lower 10% credit card rate, racking up even more debt. But we'll see what happens. And yesterday's poll results, thank you for voting. I had asked who has the right of way, Venezuela or the U.S., and it was kind of split 3 ways here. So take a look at the poll results. I chose both sides are wrong, but Venezuela, duped from the start, equally voted on. Taking a quick look at breadth today, we had a very positive day in that we started off weak on the Jerome Powell news overnight, but we closed near the highs in the green. So that was very constructive for the bull side. We had 309 new highs versus 85 new lows, 52% advanced versus 44% declined, 39% below the 50-day, and 44% below the 200-day. Mixed bag across the Mag 7 and Mega Cap, but what is really standing out is what led. I told you all to watch sector rotation and sector that lead and sectors that lead to the downside. Basic materials won the day, up 1.8%. Consumer defensive right behind it, 1.4%. Industrials, 0.8%. Tech was fourth place, 0.57%. Nothing to panic over, but just to note, look at what's leading versus tech. Profitable companies in the NASDAQ making new highs. There were 11 today, including Walmart, Lam Research, AMAT.
If you're intrigued by what you've heard today, if you're ready to challenge your own assumptions and explore a new approach to investing, then I encourage you to check out Not Your Advisor.
Explore their website.
Listen to a few podcast episodes.
See if their philosophy resonates with you.
You might just discover a whole new way of thinking about investing.
One that empowers you to achieve your financial goals.
And that's what it's all about.
Absolutely.
So until next time.
Yeah.
Keep learning, keep questioning, and keep diving deeper